Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to talk about the Cellucor C4 Ripped formula. I'm not going to go through what's included in it because there's tons of videos out there by guys that are a lot more experienced than me. I'm just recording this video because I couldn't find a video on their flavors, the different flavors. Everybody just had a video on fruit punch and that's not really my thing. So this one here is Ultra Frost. I got 3 more that I'm going to test out here. And yeah, so here it is there. That's what the container looks like. You can pause, freeze frame it on that. Actually, probably bring that closer. So you can see the label. It's got a little security freshness seal there. And I'm gonna just open that up right now. Open it up. It's got a little protective seal on the top there. So once inside, that's what the powder looks like for the Ultra Frost. It's got a little freshness package and a clear scoop. Let's see what this smells like. It's got kind of a citrusy smell to it. Okay, so let's give it a taste test and see what this tastes like. I'm just going to take that away. So for this taste test, we've got 500 milliliters of cold water. I normally do this in a sports cup, but I'm going to do it in a clear glass for you guys so you can see what this looks like. And we've got a spoon. So this particular container, they come in 30 or 60 serving containers. This has got a 60 serving, this is the 30 serving container. You can see that right there. So I'm just going to put 1 scoop in. And let's pull it across the top like that. So there's 1 scoop like that there. Drop it into there. Put that in the background just so you can still see it. So that's what it looks like once it's in there. And then I'm just going to fill the glass up because I believe it says 6 to 8 ounces. So let's So about 250 mils or 8 ounces is right about there. So I just put it just a touch more. Let's see how this stirs up. Oh, it's kind of like almost like grapefruit. So looking on the base of it, I don't know if you can see, there's definitely a little bit of graininess to this, but I find that most pre-workout drinks are like that. I don't know if I can get this tilted far enough. You can see that there's definitely some down at the bottom, but let's give it another quick. I'm sure like a sports cup with like a little like one of those stir balls or something like that, agitator balls, would do a much better job, but. Yeah, it's definitely like a grapefruit taste. Let's see what this tastes like. Well, it's not gritty at all. Definitely a grapefruit kind of flavor to it. It's really tasty, actually. I quite enjoy that. I've been looking for something that's lemon flavored. So hopefully this might actually be the one that I'm interested in because it's pretty darn close to a lemon flavor. Because I find there's not a lot of pre-workout drinks other than the Beachbody one that's lemon flavor. And that one's just really overpriced. So yeah, that's awesome. Let's see if we can show you. So there's definitely some sedimentation on the bottom, but it's really not that bad. I just do that in the last gulp, usually. All right, well, there you go. There's C4 Ripped Ultra Frost pre-workout drink taste test. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.